But you think that was his first time doing that? Something he did kind of on the regular. I do too. But yeah, so you just fold it like this. Fold it like this. Fold it like that. I'm serious, I ain't lying. Fold it like that. Yeah. Oh, he wasn't on one. Yeah. It's amazing. Things the Holy Spirit will show you, you just pay attention. Yeah. I had the opportunity to do the back, the other, him like that. Well, I didn't, because it ain't the right thing to do. Everybody don't go by. Everybody don't follow the same code. Yeah. But, categorize stuff, put it in the right category, see where it's at, make the decision that's best for you. Make sure you can look God in the face, and you should be all right. Now look, push this down through here, pull all the way through. Make sure this part here is down a little bit, so when you tighten it, it tightens up against it, and it won't come out. Now here's a caveat. These are boxes. If it was steel or lumber, something like that, you would not have the issue I'm getting ready to explain to you that we're gonna have. As we're going down the road, another 1,800 miles to go, whatever's in these boxes is gonna start settling. The boxes is gonna they gonna settle. And we're going to start having straps loosen because of that. And we have to do more stopping and retightening of the straps. I'm telling you, if you do this process right here, and you don't want that to happen because you don't want this here to come out, get caught up under a wheel or something. But it ain't gonna do nothing to the truck. But you gonna lose that strap, and it's gonna tear it. It's gonna cut it completely off if you get caught. Yeah, I had that before. So. I don't know. Well, one more. So what I'm gonna do? Sorry, I don't like where you at. What I'm gonna do with you? Right here, put you over the tire. Normally I don't like putting over the tire, but it's a lot of space between there. Now I'm gonna have to do this. A lot of space over the tire, bro. It ain't gonna assist. Ain't get caught. I have on the trailer tire had a winch move and get caught on top of the tire, and I couldn't get it out. And I was going down the road, smoke and rubber was flying everywhere. Just so happened there's a truck stop about 4 miles from what had happened there, and I had to get a new tire. Now what I want to do with you, so I ain't got to take that loose, is hopefully, there you go, bro. There you go. Now, you just tighten them down. See how right here, it's pressing up against that. Can't get them so tight though. I think the boxes, if this was steel or something, I wouldn't turn it that many times. I ain't gonna tighten it too tight. And look, when you do this, make sure you keep 2 hands on the bar at all times. Don't do what I do. You can't do what I do. We'll check them later. But probably you can't pick it up with your arm anyway. If you did, couldn't do it this easy. But you keep trying to do what you see me do. Wake up, can't get out of bed in the morning. Don't blame me. Gotta tell you nothing. I'll tell you 2 hands. Both hands in the truck. Nah. You try to do it. Let's just see. That one ain't gonna be a problem. Thank you. Look at that, I told you. I knew it. I know the kind. I know the kind. Try to embarrass you. It's alright. Shut up, you got nothing to do there. Alright, get with y'all later.